hope you will be fine and good. This is your teacher. My name is Saqib, and today we have a subject which I would like to explain it. It is very important in English when we have to use it. What about the subject name? That name is adverb. Adverb is also a part of a speech which is very useful in English and we are using it. What about the definition of it? It's very easy, not that much difficult. Like an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. What is verb? Verb is an action. And adjective, it modify or it tells us about the quality, quantity, color, size of noun and pronoun. Or another adverb, how it's modified. Example, verb, like he walked slowly. What about he walked slowly? Slowly is what? Adverb. And like the next example, she will come soon. She will come soon. Okay, an adjective, how? The test was really hard. The test was really hard. Okay, so here is adjective. Okay, and the next is like she's almost ready. Right? And what about the adverb itself? How it modifies adverb itself? It's very easy. Like he drives too fast. Too and fast. अब अगर बोला जाए कि she runs fast, तो ये fast भी जो है वो adverb है. लेकिन यहाँ पे वो अपने आप को खुद modify कर रहा है कि he drives too and fast. कितना fast? Too fast. Like if I say the next example, she dances very gracefully. Very भी है और gracefully भी है. So it modifies itself also. Adverb of manner. How? WH family में ये how होता है. Like कैसे? You know, adverb of manner describe how an action is done. They usually answer often in the end in ly examples. यानी इसके एंड में ज्यादातर जो है ly आता है. For example, she sang beautifully. How did she sing a song? She sang beautifully. Okay, and next he ran quickly. How did he won the race? He ran quickly. Okay, and the baby slept peacefully. They work hard. Note it, not all adverb end in ly. यानी बहुत सारे जो हैं वो ly पे भी नहीं होते हैं. Okay, like she smiled happily. Okay, how did she smile? She smiled happily. She smiles happily. Okay, he drove carefully. How did he drive? How does he drive? He drives carefully. Okay, so what about this? The teacher spoke softly. My teacher is us, you know. He speaks softly. She speaks harshly. That's why I don't want to talk to her. That's what adverb of manner. And the audience clapped loudly. Okay. So what about these? These are the example of adverb of manner. It means इसमें how होता है WH family में. Adverb of time, when, कब. Okay. So you should use it. And we are using it, but we don't know. Okay. So adverb of time tell us when an action happens. एक action कब होता है? Very easy. Example, she will visit tomorrow. Tomorrow क्या है? Adverb of time है. They arrived yesterday. ये भी time बता रहा है. Okay. We will start soon. What about this? This is also adverb of time. Okay. He is leaving now. Abhi. Now is what? Adverb of time. The meeting is today. What is today? Adverb of time. Okay. I have heard this song before. What about this? Adverb of, time. She often goes for a walk in the evening. In the evening. What is evening? Adverb of time. And he already finished his homework. Already finished his homework. So what about this? Adverb of time. These are the example of adverb of time. Next, please. Well, adverb of place, we use it every day and you should know about it. Like, tell where something happens. Kahan hoga. Like, the first word is here. Come here. Yahan jao. Here kya hai? Adverb of place. Go there. Wahan chale jao, I'm telling you. So, come here and sit beside me. There, she went there to meet her friend. She went there. I'm telling you. What about there? There is adverb of place. And everywhere. You can do job everywhere in Pakistan. Okay? And children were playing everywhere in the park. Okay? Outside. The dog is waiting. The dog is waiting outside. My friend is waiting outside. I want to meet him. Okay? Upstairs. Upstairs. My books are kept upstairs. And what about downstairs? He is coming downstairs. Niche aa raha hai. And you can say, grandma is sitting downstairs. Nearby, there is a grocery shop nearby. And above, there is a fan above our heads. There is a fan. Okay? And below, the cat is hitting below the table. And what about home? Home is also adverb of place. I know it's a noun. Yeah, I want to go home now. So these are the example of adverb of place.